Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fit longer text or text wrapping in Excel. Let's get started. Ever encountered long text that overflows in an Excel cell? It could be a lengthy username or some detailed notes crammed into one cell, causing the text to spill over into adjacent cells. This often becomes problematic, especially when you're looking at the print preview. There's a straightforward solution to this. Simply select the cell with your lengthy text, head to the Home tab, navigate to the Alignment group, and click on Alignment Settings. Within the Alignment tab, locate the Wrap Text option, check the box, and hit OK. Your text is now neatly wrapped within the cell. But wait, it might not appear very readable yet. A quick adjustment to the cell width will make the text more user-friendly and aligned properly. And that's it, a rapid yet effective tip on how to manage lengthy text in Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.